receives her corporate awards, we would like to inform the rest of our guests tonight that the corporate awards received by our candidates do not contribute to their total scores in the pageant. Or in vernacular, or in Hiligaynon, ang tanan ng corporate awards na nabaton sa aton mga kandidata, hindi magdugang sa puntos sa ilang overall standing in the entire pageant. Now we proceed to the dawning of the sessions for Werlin I to take the center stage. Now the 9-2, here are your corporate awards. Miss Amecus Cuisine, Miss Chibuga ni Ala, Miss Cassis Grill and Dalamahan, Miss Hazel Joy Corbera Choice Award. At the same time, you will receive SB Richie Anybody's Choice Award, Total Carl Medisal Choice Award, Miss Magic Swimap Interland Choice Award, Miss Ritos Gonzalez Choice Award, Vice Mayor Earl Patrick Medina Choice Award, Honorable SB Member Burley Tupas Choice Award, Gloria Medina Choice Award, Miss Phoebe Mont, Rowena Buaya Choice Award, Miss Cureman Drugstore Choice Award, Kagawad Marina Buaya Choice Award. Also, you will receive Attorney Hilroy Millones Choice Award, Miss Alvarez Beach Resort Choice Award, Miss Bed Pharmacy Choice Award, Cedric Ray Ignacio Choice Award, Miss SJC Beauty Salon Choice Award, Miss Mancatona Tricycle Association Choice Award, Miss Solina Beach and Nature Resort Choice Award. Also, you will be receiving Jovelyn Villar as a Sena Choice Award, Miss Villar Furniture Choice Award, Maring Meg Choice Award, Rende Narciso Choice Award, Annabel Gregorio Gasay Choice Award. And at the same time, we have Miss L. Bogana Farm Choice Award, Miss Doctor's Pizza Bites Choice Award, Miss Terrible Periahan Choice Award, Miss Cardbank Incorporated Choice Award, Miss Amega's Flower Shop Choice Award, and finally, SK Kagawad Adrian Pesanian's Choice Award. Shall we clap our hands to all our presenters, the owners of the corporations, for donning these sashes to our lead eye to the chosen candidate for these corporate awards. The rest of the presenters, please be on stage. This is indeed a manifestation or representation of the total support or the overall support of all the corporations or owners of each chosen sponsors. Their support indeed is very valuable and significant occasion, first ever in IE Samtara 2026. Let's request the high three to be at the center stage. And here are your corporate awards. Romel Water Refilling Station Choice Award, Talias Richon Banaf Choice Award, Ardiosa Family Choice Award, J. Singson and Family Choice Award, Terrible Periahan Choice Award, Ramirez Family Choice Award, Rodrigo Family Choice Award, Gloria Medina and Family Choice Award, Tolentino Family Choice Award, At the same time, you will receive Juan Valera and Family Choice Award, Mayate Family Choice Award, Jess Mayon and Family Choice Award, Alian Merson Choice Award, DJ Sarge and DJ Rocky Road Choice Award, and finally, Side Packet Billiard Hall Choice Award. Now, ladies and presenters, be ready for your group picture taking. Look at the camera. Now, children, presidents center stage, and I-4, it's your turn. And here are your corporate awards to be received. Romel Abong Choice Award, Salsa Tumonong Choice Award, Miss Lacabana Beach Resort Choice Award, Tumas Family Choice Award, Miss Imperial Balasa Choice Award, Miss Carlos Water District Choice Award, Acer Tupas Choice Award, Miss Canoa Descendants Choice Award, Roger Solis Choice Award, Miss Hill Spring Rebellic Station Choice Award, Yendi Batley Choice Award, Amstel Retailing Ice Cube Choice Award, Mary Jane Vermeil Choice Award, Bosama Store Choice Award, Julian's BPO Incorporated Choice Award, Rukia Pharmacy Choice Award, Terrible Periyan Choice Award, Raymond Bancho Choice Award, Miss FJJ Store Choice Award, Miss Noyman's Rebellic Station Choice Award, JM Mansanova Choice Award, and finally, we have Philip Lembrano Choice Award. Now ready? Presenters, please go on the sessions and be ready for your group picture taking. Thank you so much, Linay 4. Now let's request Linay 5 to be in a center stage. Linay 5, be ready to receive your corporate awards. And here are they. Natalie Velasco Choice Award, Artelia Cecilia the Chica Choice Award, Honorable Vice Mayor Earl Patrick Benita Choice Award, Bench de la Cruz Choice Award, Honorable Kagawan Salvador Mijones Choice Award, our RCG Aurora Buzz Choice Award. Surgeon SSG Rosias Carmen Choice Award. Boyd Upward Filling Station Choice Award. Valisto Gasak Aurora Bus Choice Award. Honorable SB Member Marlon Quinol Lopez Choice Award. Kagawad Heidi Choice Award. Danielle Castillo Choice Award. Digna Blanco Flor Choice Award. Miljan Marasiga Choice Award. Aqua Player Refilling Station Choice Award. Aliyah Cristia Bullion Choice Award. Also, she'll receive Genvi Salvarin Choice Award, Mike Pancho Choice Award, Madeline Mariano Choice Award, Levin Magnatin Choice Award, Helen Basaya Choice Award, Sulpicio Atencio Choice Award, and the last but not least, Turbo Teriahan Choice Award. Now let's request me as our stage, then I6 be ready to receive your corporate awards.